Okay, today we've got Mrs. Aussie Outdoors with us again.
Hi everyone.
And we're trying yet again more Tim Tams. It seems like the range of Tim Tams is never ending these days.
Yeah, they've been playing with a lot of different flavours, and I have to say, not a lot work.
Yeah. We got Toffee Apple flavour. I'm not sure about that one. Coconut cream by Adriano Zumbo.
I'm worried about that one because a long time ago, I think when it was very first, the Adriano Zumbo range came out with the Tim Tams. I bought was it the red velvet ones?
Not sure.
Not sure. There was one that he did, one of the first, and it was not very good.
Okay, and we also have Tim Tam Chocolicious Virgin Velvet Mudslide flavour. I have no idea about that. They're little tiny single packs. Yeah. Which one would you like to go first?
I reckon let's get into the Velvet Mudslide.
Okay, so it says there's 11 twin packs in here. That's a very little twin pack. There's 2 in that.
It's a minuscule twin pack.
You know what? Since there's 2 in there, we'll just try the one in case it's no good. Look at that. There you go.
Thank you.
They are a very little Tim Tam.
I'm not sure they're a Tim Tam.
Yeah, I think they're actually like a chocolate, but
because the bottom, on the bottom of them, it looks like there's some sort of a softer nougat.
Yeah, it looks like it's got a nougat and caramel or something in it. It smells very.
It smells a little boozy.
Yeah, what's the liqueurs? It smells like that, but let's give it a try. Okay, it's got a biscuit in it. I think that's meant to be some sort of caramel, but it's very dark compared to the picture. It tastes sort of boozy, although it's non-alcoholic.
It is virgin, but
all in all, they're not bad.
Not bad at all.
I think it's an adult snack.
Very much.
Not for the kids. Even though it's not non-alcoholic or anything, but
I think if you had a dinner party, this could be a great thing to put on the side of the coffee.
Yeah, or you have friends over for coffee or something. It's a good little treat. All in all, not bad. I'm going to say we'll try these ones. I'm leaving them ones to last because I'm not looking forward to it.
Yeah. Putting off the inevitable.
Pretty much. So these are the Adriano Zumbo coconut cream. They smell very coconutty. Looks like a Tim Tam.
Oh wow, that smells familiar.
It smells like a Bounty.
It does.
It's very white inside. And let's give it a try. Yeah, it even tastes like Bounty.
It does taste like Bounty.
Not bad that. I like Bounty, so.
And the one thing I do like is a lot of times when they do a coconut flavour, they insist on putting shredded coconut in the food. I'm not getting any little bits of shredded coconut stuck in my teeth.
No, me neither. Yeah,
so it's the flavour more so, which is good.
Yeah, it's just flavour.
I like that.
So
much so I'm going to slam it.
I guess I can't put it off any longer. I've got to go the Tim Tam Toffee Apple flavour. It just doesn't sound right to me, but Looks like a Tim Tam. Wow. It's a very strong...
Oh my goodness, that's a very strong apple smell.
Yeah.
Very strong. And that's red.
Wow. That's... yeah. Soft, some sort of cream in the middle. Let's give it a try. It's a very weird one, that. It tastes like toffee apple. Like, I thought it was going to be a weird sort of chocolate mix, toffee, you know, fruity, weird thing. But to me, it tastes 100% like toffee apple.
I don't like it. But even though I don't like it, I like the fact that Arnott have written on the packet what they wanted to do, and they have delivered it.
A delicious combination of crisp apple flavoured cream with a hint of toffee. Yeah, I don't mind them. For a change. Like, nothing beats the originals, but they're alright for a change.
I wouldn't let somebody give me a packet of those.
I'll finish them off later then.
Sounds like a good idea. I'll take the coconut.
No worries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe.